Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook dating profile. To begin, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you are signed in to the Facebook account that is connected to your dating profile. Once the app is open, locate the menu icon. Depending on your device and app version, this icon may appear in the top left corner or the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to continue. Inside the menu section, look for the dating option. When you find dating, tap on it to open your Facebook dating profile. After the dating section opens, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the gear icon to access the dating settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage different options related to your dating profile. Next, tap on General. In the General Settings section, scroll down until you find the Delete Profile option. Tap on Delete Profile to proceed. Facebook will ask you to confirm your decision. Tap Delete Profile again. You may be asked to provide a reason for deleting your profile. You can select a reason if you want, or simply tap Skip to continue. Finally, tap Delete to complete the process. Your Facebook dating profile will now be removed from the platform. Thanks for watching.